Hello, first graders. Welcome back. Today we're going to jump right into our phonics and reading jobs by talking about a prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters attached to the beginning of a base word that changes the meaning of the base word. We've worked with these a little bit before, but today we are going to look at two new prefixes that we can add to the beginning of a word, a base word, so that it changes the meaning. And you're going to see exactly what I mean in just a minute. But something to keep in mind is that a prefix cannot be its own word. It has to jump on the back of another word called our base word. And a base word is a word which a prefix or a word ending can be added to. So previously we have added endings to words. Today we are going to be adding beginnings or prefixes. So an example of this is the prefix un, that hops on the root word zip, to make a new word, unzip. And you'll see that by itself, zip is a word. But by itself, that's not its own word. So it jumps in front of the word zip. Unzip. What do you think the prefix un means in this word, unzip? The prefix un means not. So, if your sweatshirt is unzipped, that means it is not zipped. So it changes the meaning of the word. If I say, zip your sweatshirt, you're going to zip your sweatshirt. If I say, unzip your sweatshirt, it's the opposite. Looking at our next prefix is the prefix re. We've added it to the word zip to make the word re-zip. Uh-oh, your shoe came untied. Can you please re-tie your shoe? Re means to do again. So, maybe you tied your shoe before you came to school that morning, but by the time you got on the bus and you played on the playground and you got to my classroom, your shoes come untied. So I might say, please re-tie your shoes. Re means to do it again. You did it once, but we need to do it again. So, that is what the prefix re means when we add it to the front of a word, a base word. So looking here, untie, knowing what we know about the prefix un and the word tie, if we use our picture to help, what do you think untie means? Untie means to not tie. So maybe we are having a no shoes day. And I said, you may untie your shoes and take your shoes off in the classroom. So, untie means to not tie. It's the opposite. So it changes the meaning of the word, of the base word, tie. All right, boys and girls, here's where you can pause the video and read these words. Now that you've read all of these words, let's go through them together. Unbraid, review, reblock, reset, below, unscramble, sharp, unplug, wiggle, return, refill, rethink, voice, babble, undo, giggle. Whisper read the sentence to yourself. I will try to unscramble the puzzle. I will try to unscramble the puzzle. Do you spot the prefix in this sentence? The word unscramble is using the prefix un. I will try to unscramble the puzzle. So if we're doing the opposite to not scramble, it means we might try and put the puzzle together. Whisper read the sentence. Do you have a key to unlock the field gate? Do you have a key to unlock the field gate? Do you spot the base word and prefix in this sentence? The word unlock uses the prefix un, which means not or opposite. So to unlock is to not lock the field gate. All right, boys and girls, your reading job for today is to read these words. Happy reading!